Every sound's a distraction, with a subtle attraction, and minds lose traction for quick satisfactions. Chemical reactions caught up in the passions, attention spans rationed to irrelevant fashions. Assigns more than the sum of its fragments. There's meaning in every symbol attached in. Assigns a portal, no tourist attraction. And this is no dogma, it's a guide to action. This is the symbol for a set. And surely, like many signs, a set is more than meets the eye. Our ability to represent sets, and sets inside of sets, is perhaps the most remarkable feature of consciousness. The set is a building block for all numbers, and a lot more unfamiliar mathematical sorcery. Here are some examples. Vectors can describe brain cell populations in time. Tensors can describe the geometry of gravity. Space is a powerful metaphor for mathematical relationships, and bundles are the best tools to describe fundamental physics. Some believe perfect mathematical objects are fundamental to reality, as Plato taught us long ago. Others believe material reality is fundamental and chaotic, and it is we who project order and reason. In either case, neither group denies the power of abstraction, and I believe if we understand what a number truly is, well, we can understand anything. A set which contains no objects is called the empty set. The empty set is exactly the same as the number 0. Now, compare the empty set to the empty set inside of a set. Which one is larger? If no set can contain itself, then the set containing the empty set is larger, and we call it the number 1. Okay, so the empty set is called 0, the set containing the empty set is called 1, the set containing 1 is called 2, etc. But hold on, there are more sophisticated ways to build the natural numbers, such as this one. Please stop and pause to break down its logic. The von Neumann method allows us to build the set of all whole numbers, and like all of us, each number has its own dark secrets. What is the opposite of a number? Opposite has to be with respect to a center, with respect to some neutral. Well, this means that opposite numbers should result in something neutral when combined. But what is actually neutral about numbers? Well, in addition, the number 0 provides a neutral action. We'll call this a pivot. While in multiplication, the number 1 provides a neutral action, or the pivot. This means that there are two opposites for every number. One with respect to addition, which pivots around 0. And it has another opposite with respect to multiplication, which of course pivots around 1. And the result is the set of all negative numbers and the set of reciprocal numbers. But if we allow for negative numbers to have their own reciprocals, then we get the set of all rational numbers, amazingly built from the empty set and the number 1. They didn't tell you what they taught you was magic.